Welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero. This video is from our Path to Fluency course, with over 60 videos of useful tips and resources to help advanced students reach actual fluency. For more information, visit our website at ChineseZeroToHero.com. Enjoy this video.
Welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero Path to Fluency. In this video, let's take a look at how we can read Manhua, or Chinese comics. If you're already a fan of comics, Japanese manga, or Korean webtoon, you will also find it very appealing to read Chinese manhua. Getting to know some of the lingo can be helpful. For example, manhua created in China is referred to as 国漫 or 国产漫画, 大陆漫画 or 内地漫画. Whereas manhua from Japan is referred to as 日漫 or 日本漫画. Your first option is 漫画屋, literally meaning 漫画 house. You can drill down to specific categories through their Manhua filter. They also offer a mobile app here. You can also pay to upgrade your account to VIP to remove ads and see some exclusive content. The second option is 腾讯漫画 or Tencent Comics. The black box on the right is a chart of the most popular 国漫, the most popular mainland China comics. And they recommend a few titles at the bottom of the box with yellow text. A lot of the content are in a long scroll format rather than separating across a few pages, which is quite convenient. When you're reading, you can also switch to dark mode by clicking on the light bulb icon at the bottom right. They also offer a mobile app as well. Your third option is 动漫之家. This site seems to have a greater variety than the other two. You can drill down to specific categories with the 全部漫画 or all categories feature, as well as filter by region. Your fourth option is the 漫画吧, the Manhua forum inside 百度贴吧, the Baidu forum. This is a public forum for users who love manhua. If you don't know which manhua you like, Baidu贴ba's 漫画吧 can be a great starting point of your discovery.
When I was younger, I remember reading comic books like Wulong Yuan, which was very popular at that time in China. But my parents or my grandparents, they grew up reading something called 连环画, also known as 小人书. 连环画 simply means linked pictures. It gained popularity back in the early 20th century. Some of the original 连环画 from back in the day have become a collector's item, and they're being auctioned off for a ridiculously high price. As you can see in terms of the drawing style, these kind of comics are quite different from the typical Japanese-style comics, because most of these are from decades ago. The topics usually revolve around old Chinese literature, Chinese mythology, and folklore. I tried looking for websites online, but there aren't many good options. You can view them through the web browser, but the user interface usually is not very friendly, especially on mobile. If you don't understand some of the words on the page, I recommend installing the Zhongwen Chrome extension. This way you can hover over any word and it'll give you the definition. You can go on this website called 公子 Book, read about Chinese literature such as this is 兵法36计, which is art of war. They even have Chinese version of Western literature such as here you can see 福尔摩斯, which is Sherlock Holmes. Now if you're in China, you can look on Taobao or Dangdang. Search for these book sets. They're fairly cheap and you can have them shipped to your door. I see some popular literature such as 西游记、三国演义、水浒传, etc.
That's it for reading Chinese manhua. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.